Hi, Quick Steppers. Today we're going to do some nice warm-ups for our tango. Okay, so if you remember, tango has no rise or fall. So this first warm-up, I want you guys to look at your feet and try to get a good, what we call a good tango closed position, right? So if I start with my feet like slightly apart, okay, just kind of what feels a little bit comfortable to you, and then I turn and face the angle, and then I bend my knees. That's where my feet should end up whenever I close them in the tango. So my right foot is always slightly behind my left foot, okay? So the other thing in the tango is the minute I put any sort of energy or tone in my legs is I start to rise. And since there's no leg rise in the tango, like I don't go up in my legs, right? Like everything stays bent. I need to keep my legs a little bit more relaxed than you might think is normal for dancing in general, but it's kind of like a new way of thinking about your tango. So what I'm gonna have you do is we're gonna go just side across the floor. If you can, try to find a way to like keep your head level. I want you to put your hands down, pulling yourself up so that we're working on elongating our spine. So we want that really nice long posture as we do this. And I'm gonna go across the floor. I'm just gonna go side together. So I go side, tango close, side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together. And then if I go back the other way, this way's a little bit harder because you have to close your left foot slightly forward. So I'm going to go side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together. Okay, so that's your first warm up for the tango, and that'll get you like really kind of feeling like, okay, I'm in my knees, I'm grounded. Try to do it for at least a minute, minute and a half if you can. Okay, this next exercise talks about turn and rotation in our tango. So I'm going to make a giant circle. I'm going to take 16 steps forward in a giant circle. Now, when I turn in the tango, since I don't rise into my turn, it's a little bit different. So just like how you ride a bicycle, right? So if I'm riding a bike and I'm going forward, I don't just like turn my handlebars to like move, right? I like lean into a turn, and that like helps me rotate. So we're gonna kind of do that same thing here. I want you to feel like you're leaning into a turn as you're turning. So I'm gonna bend my knees and angle my body into the turn. The steeper my turn or the sharper my turn, the more I have to lean into it to create a bigger shape, okay? So we're gonna do 16 steps forward, then 8, then 4, then 2 to make a full circle, okay? So this first one, if you watch, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good. Then I'm going to do the same thing with 8 steps. Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I do it in 2 steps. I'm going to go 1, 2. Okay, so I've got that nice angle. All right, so do 16, 8, do it each of them a few times, right? We're trying to get our legs warm, so you need to try and keep them really bent, really loose, same kind of thing. Then you'll turn and you're gonna go forward around the circle on the other side. Same thing, 16 steps, 8 steps, 4, 2, angling, learning how to rotate to the right. So I'm gonna go forward this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If you notice, all the steps are heel leads, because in the tango, almost everything's a heel lead because we don't rise up on our toes. Okay, so that's a new thing. Then same thing, you'll do 8, then 4, then 2, right? Like changing the angle of your body. Now, after you've done that, you're going to walk backwards in the circle. Same thing, angling our bodies in. I'm gonna go back on my right foot. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then same thing, 8, then 4, then 2. The 2 is going to be a little bit tricky going backwards. It's really important if you can to try and keep your head left even as you're doing these so that you get used to the feeling with a partner in frame, right? Because my head's going to be left. Even though my pitch of my spine has changed, my head will still angle left. So try to do that. All right, and then your last exercise, so that's rotation. We did our side togethers, okay? Then I want you to practice going forward, and we're gonna practice holding our feet. So in tango, when we demonstrate our timing, it's all in our feet. So I really want you to try and hold your feet and hold your timing to make it happen for you. So you're gonna go hold, 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 right? So I get all the way on my foot right away. Everything's collected. It's not that simple like release like I have in the waltz where everything's a continuous movement. It's sharp, it's fast, it's smoother. Anyway, so practice going forward, same thing, you're gonna go backwards, you're gonna go hold, 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 right? We're gonna try and land, get everything underneath. Practice your posture while you're doing it, right? It's important that we've maintained that nice strong frame as we're going. All right, good job.